Now you have to explain phosphorus and sulfur. Who's having higher ionization energy and who is having the lower ionization energy? This is phosphorus and this is sulfur. This is 15. This is 16. Now you
in the 3p shell. Compared to sulfur, there are 4 shells in the last orbital and it's unstable.
so you mean that phosphorus is 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2, then 3p3, and sulfur is 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2, then 3p4. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Are you all getting my point? Yes or no? Ahmad, Alia,
Yes.
Alia, how are you, Alia? Are you getting my point? Okay. Okay. So this is 2p3 again, the same condition as it was. Again, this is 2p3 and this is 2p4. This is 3p3 and 3p4. The same criteria would be followed in phosphorus and sulfur as it was in nitrogen and oxygen. Who is this? Roma.
Sorry,
Okay.
sir. Sorry.
Okay, so basically 3p3 is more stable as this is half filled. Okay, 3p3 is more stable that and this is half filled. So ultimately there is no spin pair repulsion. So there would be so obviously you have to give more amount of energy to remove electron. On the other hand, if you can see 3p4, this is half, this is partially filled. This is 3p4. So there is a spin pair repulsion, but just like that in the same orbital there are two electrons which are causing spin pair repulsion. Due to the spin pair repulsion, they are causing this atom, this element less stable. Ultimately less energy would be needed to remove this electron. On the basis of these information, we can say that the sulfur is having lower ionization energy than that of phosphorus. According to the trend, we have discussed that the sulfur's ionization energy should be higher as it is on the right hand side of the periodic table. Yes, is that correct? Okay, done.
By spin pair repulsion.
Sorry.
What do you mean by spin pair repulsion?
Spin pair repulsion means that they are two electrons in the same box. Box is going to represent orbitals. Orbital. They are separate electrons. They are not going to repel each other. This is a pair. This is a pair. This is a pair which are present in the same orbital. So they may have a spin pair repulsion as electrons are having negative charge. So as the two electrons are in the same box as electrons are having negative charge, so they may have spin pair repulsion. When there is a repulsion in any element, so the element becomes less stable. So ultimately, the outer electron can be removed very easily. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.